If your inbox feels overwhelming, you're not alone. Emails are one of the biggest productivity killers. That's why I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot to automate repetitive tasks, manage your message faster, and save hours every week. These are quick, actionable tricks that will completely change the way you handle email. Here we have a long email with multiple points buried inside. Instead of reading line by line, I can simply click on the summary button at the top. In seconds, Copilot pulls out the key points. But if we want summary to be more structured and easier to read, then we can select the Ask Copilot button and type here, summarize this email in bullet points. Now the summary uses clear topic headers so we can jump straight to the items that we care about. It also highlights the main ideas, the key decisions, the actionable items, the deadlines. This is a huge time saver when you are buried in long emails. Alright, that was hack number 1, summarizing long emails. Now let's take a step further and see how Copilot can draft the reply for you. Copilot will offer prompt suggestions in the side panel, but typing them there won't drop the reply straight into your email. Instead, let's hit reply and press Alt+I to open the Copilot Compose window and type in the prompt here. Draft a reply to Sarah acknowledging the update. It gives a clear, professional draft. But the reply seems too short and sounds a bit too casual. That's where hack number 3 comes in. Notice below the options to adjust the length and the tone. Select Make it longer and regenerate. Looking good, but we also want it to be more formal. Change tone, formal. In seconds, the tone shift. Same message but tailored. So every time we make an adjustment, Copilot creates a new draft that we can navigate through by selecting forward and back arrows. We are happy with draft number 3. Click Keep It and it inserts into the email body. All that's left is a quick tweak and hit send. Now let's see another practical example. I have received 4 emails with the same subject line project timeline discussion, and I don't have time to read each one. Let's see how Copilot can help here. Notice Outlook grouped these 4 emails, and we can go straight to the last email with all threads. Let's open the Copilot panel and ask, tell me the final conclusion of this email thread. And just like that, we know the project launch date is October 15 without reading through every message. This is just a simple illustration. Email threads can go on forever with back and forth messages, and that's why this feature is so powerful. Copilot scans long email threads, pulls out final conclusions and key points, ultimately saving us tons of admin time. And finally, ever remember an email about a specific topic but can't recall who sent it? Copilot can act as a natural language search engine. Let's ask, show me the email mentioning homepage layout. Copilot pulls every relevant email, even if the subject line are different, and gives a quick summary for each. It's like having Google for your own inbox. So today, you learned how Copilot in Outlook can summarize long emails, draft replies, rewrite tone and length, conclude thread, quick search email. Copilot doesn't just save time reading emails, it helps you act on them faster and more effectively. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to work smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.